sibak sa servisyo o sa pwesto ng mga polis. Tatlong polis na sakot na po din po sa insidente. Kasi nasibak po sila, hindi po ba sapat po yun para kapalit po mga public apology.
Sino po yung nasibak? Hindi ko po alam. Yung sa video po or yung... Tatlo po. Yung sa full report po, nakasama yung address namin. Nakasuha po ba yun? Administrative? Hindi po yata eh. Hindi po yata eh. Alam ko yung video lang po ang nakasuha nila ng administrative. Still, kung na-relieve, they're just free. Diba?
Kasi yun ang style ng ano.
Pwede naman sila ilipat lang ng stasyon.
Kasi yung in-answer to kasi hindi sapat yung yan ang style yan ang nakikita naman natin na yan ang SOP no, ng modus operandi ng police authorities no. Pag nagkaka-celebrity case or may case na ganito, immediately sasabihin nila isisipak mo. But that's not enough. Then it repeats itself. Repeat. That's why kailangan umamin sila na there is a public responsibility. Kanya, that is why sila Jana did not need to have this press call. He did not need to face the public and answer questions. But precisely, it is not about him. It is the public interest involved here. Tomorrow, there could be another Jano case. And the next day, alam naman natin, sunod-sunod yan. Kung may Katnel pa nga, di ba? Na sumabay, na at least na-diffuse ng konti. But these are people. These are not, sabi nga ni Ma'am Bing, no? We are people, we're human beings. And we are a family, we are regular people. Hindi naman pelikula ang pamilya nila. So, this is not something that you can feast on their private lives. No? So, maybe it's time that there is a public apology so that they know na talagang grievous, talagang mabigat yung ginawa nila dito. Na sana wag nilang ulitin.
Kasi, if I may add, wala namang ilalaman yung mga vloggers and news sites kung walang nag-leak eh. Diba? Walang lalabas na mga thousands of videos and kung walang leakage of the report and the video.